traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 17th, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. And we're going to start on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, in my opinion, on the very high time frames, gold is extremely clear. I think this is a wave one very clearly. This is very clearly a three-way pullback for wave two. Then we have all the subdivisions of the wave three. We have one of three, we have two of three, and this is all a wave three of three. It definitely looks like the wave three is trying to end, which means we potentially should get a move down that would be very similar in time and price to the wave two for a wave four. Then we should get another push up for a wave five. And this is all still a trend for the wave three itself. So definitely still very bullish on the very high time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, we've been very sideways on these higher time frames, which is why I do think that the wave three is likely over. I think we're making a WXY pattern on like the daily 4 hour time frame, which likely will bring us down to below the $3,000 an ounce area to finish off that 4 of 3 before we likely go up and make the wave five of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, definitely a little messy on the daily, but I think if I draw it out like this, it might help a little bit. So we have impulsive down, impulsive down, impulsive up, impulsive up, impulsive down, and then hopefully this is all going to be impulsive down. And then if I change colors right here, you can see the 1, 2, 3 in the middle, which actually pink is probably better. 1, 2, 3 in the middle, 1, 2, 3 there, and 1, 2, 3 there. So potentially we already have a complete WXY in my opinion. It looks like we have three waves of W, three waves of X, and then an A, a B, and now we're going to potentially go down for a C of Y, which should potentially take us down to about the $3,000 an ounce area. So keeping all that in mind because the higher time frames are so important. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now to me, the 4 hour time frame looks like we could get another wave up. But because of my higher time frame analysis, I really wouldn't be surprised if it didn't and it just kept on going down. You always need to trust your very high time frames over anything you see on like the 4 hour, 1 hour and below. Because on these time frames, it looks like a five-wave move. It looks like we are potentially in a crescent to that five-wave move, and we're potentially going to go up again for like an A, B, C shape. So it definitely does look like that is a possibility. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, a Fibonacci retracement bounce with like an engulfing move to the upside, like a break of structure, then that's what's going to tell us that it's likely going to go up and take out these highs and maybe even these highs. If it doesn't do that, then I would definitely still primarily be very bearish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, gold has been very choppy lately, maybe because of the fact that Putin and Trump have had a lot of meetings lately about potentially the war in Ukraine. Maybe if we're lucky, that will finally come to an end. But anyways, as far as the pattern goes, I mean, we would have to continue to look for shorts primarily. If we get a Fibonacci bounce, like a double bottom and something like that, then yes, definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But if it just bounces from a fib level, doesn't break structure, bounces, doesn't break, and just keeps on going down, then you definitely should just stay bearish and look for shorts every single chance you get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.